Hello everyone, myself Aparna Gohad presenting block diagram or basic structure of computer. So these are the stages involved in this block diagram of computer. First stage is input, then second stage is CPU, that is central processing unit, and then output. Now we'll see these three stages in detail. So this is a basic diagram or a block diagram of computer where you can see this input, then in between there is a CPU and then output. Now we'll see this one by one. So first is input unit. So input is the unit it is required to give the data to the computer. Computer needs to receive input in the form of data and instruction in order to solve any problem. The input unit consists of one or more input devices. Keyboard is one of the most commonly used input device. Now that input is given to CPU. So CPU is central processing unit. It involves ALU and CU. The ALU and CU of computer system are jointly known as CPU. It is a brain of computer, takes all major decisions. It directs different parts of computer function by activating and controlling the operations of other units. Now we'll see this CPU in detail where there are four things or four units are there under CPU. So first is arithmetic and logical unit, that is ALU. The actual processing of data and instructions are performed by ALU. The major operations performed by ALU are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, logic, and comparison. Data is transferred to ALU from storage unit. For processing the data and instruction, it takes the input from control unit. So second is control unit, that is CU. So CU acts as a supervisor which monitors the operations. It is responsible for cooperating various operations using time signal. It determines the sequence in which computer programs and instructions are executed. Control unit includes processing of programs stored in main memory, interpretation of instructions, and issuing of signals for other units of computer. To get the data and instruction, it needs memory unit. So if you see this memory unit, there are two types. First is primary storage and second is secondary storage. Now, primary storage means it stores and provides fast access. It is nearer to control unit and it is temporary in nature. It is generally used to hold the program that is currently being executed. Data gets lost when computer is switched off. It's a temporary in nature. Then the primary memory can get the data from secondary storage. Secondary storage, it stores the programs, documents, and databases. It stores the data permanently. It is slower than primary storage unit. Program is executed, then it is transferred from secondary memory to primary memory for execution. So whenever instruction and data is being executed, then from secondary storage unit it is transferred to primary storage. From primary storage it is transferred to control unit. Then control unit gives the data to an instruction to arithmetic and logical unit, and after that the ALU performs the operation. Now after this for all four stages the output is generated. So output is like this is a process of producing results from the data for getting useful instructions. We can see the output on the output device. The output devices are like printer or monitor. So I hope you have understood this block diagram or a basic structure of computer. Fine. So thank you. Thank you very